Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video here on MedSkills Hub, your space to learn practical medical writing and research skills. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive in. Today, we're starting with something every healthcare professional and student should know: how to write a case report. Have you ever wondered how to do it? Case reports are often the first step into medical publishing, and they're a great way to share unique patient stories. These stories can help others learn and improve care, and you could be the one to share them. So today, I'll walk you through how to write a case report step by step. If you've ever wondered how to take a real patient story and turn it into a publishable case report, this guide will help you. These are the 6 steps to writing a case report. Step 1, selecting a case. Step 2, literature review. Step 3, case presentation. Step 4, introduction. Step 5, discussion. Step 6, title and abstract. We will go through these steps roughly for the next few minutes. Step 1, selecting a case. The very first step is choosing the right case. And here's something important. A case doesn't always have to be extremely rare. Instead, it should be something not straightforward. Maybe an unusual presentation of a common disease, an unexpected complication, or a unique management decision. The case should be educational, clinically relevant, and unique enough to add value. This is what increases your chance of publication. And of course, don't forget ethics. You must have patient consent, and you must remove any identifying details like names or photographs. Step 2, literature review. Once you've selected your case, the next step is to do a rough literature review. Make sure to go through this step early on, as it will save you a lot of time and energy. Why? Because it saves you from writing something that's already been published many times. It helps you see what's new about your case, it highlights gaps in previous reports, and it strengthens your writing with evidence. It also gives you guidance on what recommendations to make. In short, a literature review shows you where your case fits in the bigger medical picture. Step 3, case presentation. This is the heart of your case report. Simply telling the story of your patient. Write it chronologically, just like you would present a patient history. Include the main complaint, the history of illness, relevant past history, examination findings, both the positives and the pertinent negatives, and then the investigations, management, and outcome. Keep it objective, write in past tense, and never include identifiable details. Think of this section as answering one question: what happened to this patient, step by step? Step 4, introduction. Now we step back and set the stage. The introduction is where you write about what's already known about the condition and what the gaps or controversies are. Then you explain why your case is important in addressing those gaps. Step 5, discussion. This is where your case meets the medical literature. Compare and contrast your case with previous reports. Show what is similar and what is different. Highlight how your case contributes to current knowledge or challenges. Finally, follow up this step with conclusion and recommendation by summarizing the lessons learned and give recommendations for practice or future research. Step 6, title and abstract. The final step is writing your title and abstract. Do this at the end. Your title should be catchy but also clear. It should grab attention while conveying the message. And your abstract should be short and structured by including background, case summary, and conclusion in a brief manner. And that's it. Those are the key steps to writing a strong case report: selecting the right case, reviewing the literature, presenting your patient chronologically, writing a focused introduction, building a discussion, and finally crafting your title and abstract. Here at MedSkills Hub, we'll be sharing practical guides, tips, and real examples to help you succeed in medical writing and research. So if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe, follow, and share with a friend who's also trying to grow in this area. This is just the beginning. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next session where we will learn how to write each section of a case report.